Most drivers treat an oil change like a boring chore or a tax they have to pay every few months. They walk into a store, grab the cheapest jug with a recognizable logo, and move on with their day. But if you actually care about what is happening inside that vibrating metal block under your hood, you need to look at what is truly inside the bottle. There is a specific premium synthetic oil out there that is doing something completely different from the rest of the pack. It does not start its life as crude oil pumped out of a hole in the ground. Instead, it begins as natural gas. This is a massive leap in how we think about engine protection. They literally convert a gas into a crystal clear liquid base. It is a process that creates a much purer product from the very start. Most traditional oils are full of tiny impurities that are naturally present in crude oil. Those impurities are hard to filter out completely. When you start with natural gas, you get a pristine white canvas. This leads to incredible levels of piston cleanliness. This formula is designed to keep your engine internals looking like they just came off the assembly line. Think about the intense heat inside a modern turbocharged engine. It is like a furnace in there. Standard oils can struggle in those environments. They can break down and turn into a thick, nasty sludge that clogs up your vital components. This natural gas formula is built to fight that degradation. It stays stable even when the temperatures are soaring during a long summer road trip. You get a strong, resilient layer of protection that simply does not quit. People who make the switch often notice an immediate difference in how their car feels. The engine just sounds smoother. You know that annoying clicking or ticking sound when you first turn the key on a freezing morning? That often disappears because the oil flows so much faster during a cold start. It reaches those critical moving parts in a fraction of a second. Then, once you are cruising on the highway, it maintains the perfect thickness to keep everything cushioned. It is remarkably versatile for daily drivers and performance cars alike. Now, this is not the cheapest option on the shelf. You're going to pay a bit of a premium for this level of molecular engineering. But you have to ask yourself what your vehicle is worth in the long run. If you are driving a modern car with a direct injection system, this is exactly what the hardware requires. Those engines are prone to carbon buildup. They need the heavy-duty detergents found in this specific blend. It acts like a deep clean for your engine every time you drive to the grocery store. However, if you are nursing a 20-year-old truck with 300,000 miles, this might be overkill. For those older, worn-out engines, a dedicated high-mileage formula is usually the better play. But for almost everyone else, this is the top of the mountain. It meets the toughest industry standards without breaking a sweat. Independent lab tests show it has very low volatility, so it does not evaporate or burn off easily. You won't find yourself topping off the reservoir nearly as often. It is a favorite for people who plan on keeping their cars forever. You can comfortably run this for the full interval recommended by your manufacturer. It is about playing the long game. You are not just lubricating metal. You are preserving an investment and ensuring that your car stays on the road for years to come. It is fascinating to see how far the science has come. We are no longer just refining what we find in the dirt. We are building better molecules from scratch. This is precision engineering in a jug. It is reliable, it is clean, and it simply outperforms the basic stuff in every category that matters.